Hey everybody, Daryl here at Hudson'sCustomMachining.com. I've got this circa 1909, 1910 GE big motor yoke motor here that needed new bearings, and there's the old worn out bearings that came out from in there. Made new bearings, put it in there, cleaned the rotor up real good, cleaned everything else up inside the motor real good, and I've got it hooked up to a switch right here. I just want to plug it in, let you see it start on its own, and yes, it is running. It runs so quiet you can't hardly hear it, but there she is. Everything turned out real good on this one. All right, y'all take care. Hey guys, one more thing on this big motor yoke motor here. This is the switch lever that came off of the switch plate, and if you'll notice, it's got a corner broke off here. This is an insulator for this lever. Don't touch this. If you have one of these that's got the end broken off like this, don't touch that metal. You'll get a shock you won't forget. There's 110 volts going through this switch lever right here. Now these original ones are Bakelite here, and they get brittle with age. You'll see where it's just chipped off of there. And I can make these here in the shop. I can make a new end for your lever if you've got one that's broken. These get molded on. I also make the ones for the Emerson fans. I'll try to get a good shot of that. You'll see how it's got this decorative cut into the knob on both ends. Same here. There's 110 volts going across this lever right here. So if you've got one that's broken, I can mold a new one on, and that's what I'm going to have to do here before this job is complete. So I just wanted to point this out. All right, y'all take care. Okay guys, here's that switch lever insulator after I put a new one on. This is the lever after I've got it cleaned up, what it looks like. Before, it looked much like this one here with the corner of the insulation broke out. And here's the new one here, ready to be installed back on the switch plate again. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like what you're seeing here, subscribe to my channel. Y'all take care.